things are landfills. And as you can see, most of them sit right next to water in some way, shape, or form, a river, a lake, or something. And so anything that goes into a landfill is eventually going to get into our water. Now, most people just toss out their televisions, contact fluorescent light bulbs, computers, things of that nature, but our organization is working to get free recycling in place for those products. A couple of years ago, with the help of the public, we passed a bill that has computer manufacturers provide free recycling for their old products to everyone in the state. It's actually working really well. We collected 24 million pounds of this stuff last year. And at 4 to 8 pounds of lead per computer screen, that's a lot of stuff that we're keeping out of our water. So
we're trying to put everything green, Dallas and Fort Worth in one place. All the events, we've got events listed.
Corporations that sell great products, non-profit entities.
Events, we've got all these events, we've got articles. We've actually got videos.
Who is it sponsored by?
Both by the Memnosine Foundation. And Joshua's Memnosine Foundation.
Vice President.
Yeah.